overmolded on our patented screw. The metal screw is designed to bore down in straight into your shoes. You put a little shoe goo on there, but it goes straight into flat rubber soles. You get 20 spikes, a Sharpie for mapping out your traction, the hand tool, which if you own a power drill, pull that hex bit out and you just use the drill. I'll show you that. 2-in-1 tool, some shoe goo, which is key. I'll show you how to do that later. The biggest and most important thing for success out there is the shoes you start with. So we got a pair of Grinches today. These are awesome. Basketball shoes have a lot of good structure, right? So first of all, it's flat rubber, not foam. You need at least a layer of flat rubber on the shoe to get started. If you have shoes with lugs, Air Max, things like that, you can do them, but it's a different install. So we recommend flat rubber sole to get started. These Grinches are sweet. If you want to go retro, do like Chuck Taylor's, PF Flyers, Vans, you can do that, but that thinner like skate sole, you're gonna feel the cleats underfoot quite a bit. You won't even feel them underfoot on a more structured sole like this. First step in the process is mapping out where you're gonna put this traction. So we like 8 cleats on an adult size pair of shoes, maybe 6 for a smaller kid size. I lay them out upside down on flat parts of the sole. Exactly where they're gonna be. Take your Sharpie and put dots. I've already done these shoes many times, but you're gonna put little marks where these cleats are gonna go in, right? Next step, grab your shoe goo. You're gonna have extra cleats, by the way, because you're only gonna use 8 or 6, so you'll have 4 extra. Put a little dab of shoe goo on the metal component of the cleat, like that, if you can see it. I'll do the first one by hand. Should fit right on your hand tool. I like putting my hand inside the shoe, gives you some leverage. A couple turns to get it started, and it should go in relatively easily. Get it nice and flush with the sole. So flush with the sole, let that shoe goo dry out overnight, and you're good to go. All right, so let's do one with the drill too. So again, that little hex part comes out. Put it into your drill. Same thing, make sure you put the shoe goo on the thread. Next cleat, screws right into the sole. So there you go, flush. I'll do a few more of these. All right, abracadabra, you got custom, one-of-one custom cleats. We took these flat rubber soled Grinches, mounted 16 cleats into them. There you have it. Baseball, softball, they work for lacrosse. We've got kids playing football in them. And the idea is have the coolest kicks out there on the field. You do your own custom work. It's a fun project, fun for parents and kids to do together. Sit down, crack a beverage. It takes about 10 minutes and you'll have cleats unlike any other person on the field. Let us know, send us videos. We love hearing customer feedback and seeing what you create.